Hello. In this video, I will walk you guys through some of the other sections of Spell Ninja a little bit more in depth so you can see what else we have. Oftentimes, we see users download an app, create an account, and then use it for a little bit, and then not be able to get back to it. Our goal is for users to keep coming back to the app as often as possible, many times a day, many days a week, ideally every day, so they can actually kind of maximize their learning. That's why we would like to kind of provide more and more content, walking you guys through, educating what the app has and how you can use it to your benefit. So in the previous videos, we kind of walked you guys through the app, just providing a brief overview. We also walked you guys through the three core modules just with their free word sets. In this video, I'm just going to go through some of the other sections. This section, for instance, is extremely useful. So every year, Scripps, the National Spelling Bee organizer, they provide a school study list of about 450 words that are here. So the 2026 school study list is here. And then they also provide what's called as Words of the Champions, WOTC for short. So we have provided WOTC for 2026 over here. You can also access it through the Words of the Champions. And by the way, just click on the logo on any of the screens will take you to the home screen. And so here's Words of the Champions. It's a curated list of 4,000 words that is categorized in three sections, 1B, 2B, and 3B, in increasing order of difficulty. And 1B is about 1,000 words. We've kind of organized that into 10 word sets of 100 words each, as you can see here. 2B is 2,000 words, so 20 word sets of 100 words each. And then 3B is 1,000 words again, so split into 10 word sets of 100 words each. And clicking on any of these will take you to what we call as a lightning review, which is a one-screen walkthrough of a word and its spelling. And you can kind of go through everything here: part of speech, definition, towards the stern of a ship, usage, vocabulary, hint, synonyms, and antonyms. And so you can kind of go through, all of the words, and you can cover, these things quickly. And by the way, you can also, bookmark it. And when you bookmark it, you can go to the dashboard to check your bookmark. So it's right there, abashed. So, so that's Words of the Champions. So 1B, 2B, 3B, and that, that kind of covers all of that. And then the next thing to cover quickly, this is the school study list, by the way. This is not the same as WTC. This is 450 words only. And then this is a pretty cool kind of, personalized section, My Words. It provides, words that are filtered for you based on your activity, as well as, the daily spelling drill and the daily ninja challenge. The daily spelling drill is basically a rotating list of 25 words that, that change every day. Again, lightning review, you can just go through this every day. It changes every day. Daily ninja challenge is basically a daily quiz that provides a test of spelling 10 words in 2 minutes, and you just hear the word and you just basically try it out, and then you go through it, and then once you finish, it'll give you a score and it'll tell you what you did correctly, what you didn't do correctly. So that's your ninja quiz. My bookmarks, whatever you bookmarked, you can go through that. Here, you have my incorrectly spelled words that you spelled incorrectly during the course of your testing sessions. Moderate words, again, set of words, 25 words that change every day. Difficult words that change every day that you can go through. All words is actually the entire database covered here. You can actually filter by word list, or you can go. So this is learning module, word list 3, word set 3, right? You can go there, or you can just see all, go to the word database, and now this covers all of the word lists and word sets. And in here, you can go anywhere. Flashcard, let's say I want to go flashcard. I want to go to like word list 10, word set 8. It goes right word list and flashcard module. So you can go through that, and it'll kind of give you everything. So that's your all words, personalized words. is, like I mentioned in a previous video, based on the questions that you provided answers to in the onboarding flow, we assign you a proficiency score, and then we provide a personalized set of words for you based on your level. So you can kind of just move on from there to more difficult words and higher levels. Word categories, and then feature words, difficult words. So you can kind of say difficult words. I want to only look at difficult words. And then it'll kind of, within a word list and word set, it'll give you only the difficult words. So there you go. So that is basically a deep dive into the home screen. And also kind of I walked you guys through how to use this quick kind of thing here, search a word. You can actually look at any, I can search any word and it'll kind of provide you the information about the word. All of this is catered to like spelling bee prep, but it's also extremely useful if you just want to use it as a dictionary or just as a quick reference app to provides you everything. So there you go. So that's your home, dashboard, word database, and profile I already walked you through in a previous video. So thank you for watching this video. Once again, if you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to write to us at support@spell-ninja.com. We would be happy to answer your questions. Please continue to subscribe and follow our content across all social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, as well as YouTube. Thank you.